What are you doing? Are you not going to do your head anymore? You do your mouth. Hey, what are you wearing right now?
Oh, me wearing your shirt.
What is it called? Hey, are you wearing your bathing suit?
Mm.
What's a bathing suit called? What are you doing with your mouth? Hey, don't drink it. Michaela. Hello. Are you thirsty? Are you going to do your head?
No.
What are you wearing? What's it called? You're silly. What are you doing? Yeah, be careful. What are you wearing, sweetie? Look at me. Look at me and tell me.
Me wear whale.
You're wearing a whale. What kind? What's the whale on? Your bathing suit?
Baby suit.
What is it?
Baby suit.
Your baby suit? Say it one more time.
Baby suit.
Yeah, your bathing suit. Big girl.
Give more.
You're getting more?
More, mommy.
Okay, if you're not going to do your head, I need you to put your hat back on. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, here it is.
Oh, no hat on?
Are you going to do your hair? Oh. Oh!
We do hair.
Yeah!
In your face.
It is in your face, yeah. Don't drink it. Hey, yuck! Michaela, we don't drink pool water. Are you going to do your head, or do we need to put your hat on?
Oh, hat on?
Hat on. Can you blow me a kiss?
No.
Blow me a kiss.
No, pull hat on.
Okay. We don't have to put your hat on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-huh.
Mommy.
Got mommy's legs.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What's after 6?
Uh,
Oh!
oh, more.
More what?
More.
Oh, it's behind you. You gonna pour it in? Good job. Good job, baby. Will you blow me a kiss, please? And pour it in that one, too. Hey. Hey, blow me a kiss.
No.
Yes! Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss so I can turn off the video. Blow me a kiss. Oh, you pretty girl. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
There you go.